Good night.
What is your name?
My name is Catherine Diaz.
What old are you?
I am 28 years old.
What is your hometown?
I grew up in the municipality of Soacha.
Where do you live?
I live in neighborhood La Cristalina in the municipality of Soacha.
What is your marital status?
I am single.
What is your hobby?
I enjoy playing soccer.
What is your occupation?
I am a medical account reviewer.
Tell about your working experience.
I have worked in hospital in billing and review of medical accounts.
What is your academic background?
I studied health administration. I am studying public accounting.
What are your personal qualities?
My personal qualities are honest, respectful, leader, and responsible.
What are your skills and weaknesses?
My skills are teamwork, leadership, learning self, decision making. And my weaknesses are shyness and impatience.
What makes you the best candidate for this position, this job?
I am a good candidate because I am responsible, I am dynamic, I have the knowledge, I want to contribute to the company.
What we get if we hear you?
If you hire me, you will get responsibility and compliance. You will find a leader and teamwork. How you will also positive results. Thank you.